conversation today, I will look at preamble. I'll look at preamble. So I have a preamble, and then I'll talk about the pointers to lack of export readiness. Pointers to lack of export readiness. Then I will look at proposals on what you need to do in order to become export ready. Then I'll look at participation. How do you get started? How then do you get started? So let me start by defining export readiness. Because, definition rule our lives. Definition rule our lives. Definition is a sign. If I define something well, it makes it easier for me to be able to contain it, adjust it, and be able to measure it because I've defined it. Export readiness is a multifaceted concept that involves the ability of a company and a business to successfully enter the export market. That means it's able to do a shipment, but I discover many inputs stop there. After that first shipment, some are not able to ship again because of issues that happen to that first shipment. And sometimes when that issue happens, it's in retrospect that many will realize, okay, what should I have done to be able to prevent it from happening? Because I could have prevented it. Let me give you an example. You hear, oh, Nigerian product has been rejected. Nigerian product has been rejected. Do you know the same product that has been rejected? Some businesses have been exporting that product for 10 years without issues. So it's not the product, it's the understanding of what I need to have mastered and learned to be ready to ship that product. To be ready, because if I'm doing a product today, if I move to another product, my readiness criteria might change, particularly when it comes to product, because product itself is a readiness criteria, the readiness of the product. Because I'm shifting to another product, understanding that product, managing the risk around that product is another issue on its own that I will need to fix. So, entering the market. So, one of the signs of lack of export readiness is when you see a situation where someone entered the market, he did a shipment, but drop off. So that means he was able to do at least a shipment, but was unable to continue afterwards. He was able to do at least a shipment, but was unable to continue. So successfully enter, sustainably compete. That means I enter, then now I'm not just exporting, I'm now able to compete. That means I'm able to do it profitably for a reasonable period. I enter, I'm able to compete, successfully enter, sustainably compete, and then I'm not just competing, I'm able to now get some market share. I'm able to get some market share from it. So successfully enter, sustainably compete, and significantly grow to take on some market share in the export market. And significantly grow to take on some market share in the export market. The reason I'm able to take on that market share is because of lack of export readiness.